Some facts sound so impossible, your brain will swear they're lies. But everything you're about to hear is 100% real. There are rivers that can boil you alive, animals that defy the laws of biology, and natural forces so strange that they still confuse scientists today. These aren't stories, these are real things happening on our planet right now. Welcome to Factopedia, where the unbelievable becomes the truth. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, hidden beneath thick rainforest canopy, flows a river so mysterious that most locals refuse to speak about it for generations. They called it Timpishka, meaning boiled by the heat of the sun. But here's what makes it terrifying. The river isn't fed by a volcano. It's not near any geothermal hotspot. Yet the water reaches nearly 100 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt skin in seconds. When animals wander into the river, even by accident, the heat strips their flesh instantly. Their bodies don't sink, they cook. The river is so deadly that even touching the steam rising above it can burn your lungs. Scientists who discovered it were shocked. There is no volcanic activity for hundreds of kilometers. To this day, the exact source of the extreme heat remains one of the Amazon's most baffling mysteries. When most creatures grow old, their cells break down. Muscles weaken, DNA gets damaged, organs fail. Aging is simply unstoppable. But one tiny creature looked at the rules of nature and broke them. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. When it's injured, stressed, or dying, it performs a biological miracle. Instead of dying, it reverses its age. It transforms its cells back into their earliest forms, turning from an adult back into a baby. Then, it starts life all over again. This cycle can repeat forever. No aging, no natural death. It is the only known creature capable of true biological immortality. Scientists study it desperately, hoping to unlock its secrets. Because if a creature this small can cheat death, what else in nature is possible? In one of the hottest places on Earth, Death Valley, lies a mystery that confused scientists for decades. Massive stones, some weighing as much as a man, slowly glide across the desert floor. No animals push them. No humans touch them. Yet they leave long trails carved into the ground, as if they were alive. For years, people believed supernatural forces were responsible. But eventually, researchers captured the truth on camera. During winter nights, thin sheets of ice trap the rocks. As the sun rises, the ice begins to melt, and gentle winds push the icy layer, causing the rocks to glide smoothly across the desert. Slowly, silently, mysteriously. The desert, one of the harshest places on Earth, hides a secret ballet of stone and ice, a reminder that even the simplest landscapes can hold incredible surprises. In the rainforests of Thailand and Brazil, there exists a parasite straight out of a horror movie. It's a fungus called Ophiocordyceps, and it doesn't just infect ants, it controls them. When the spores land on an ant, they grow inside its body, spreading through its muscles. Soon, the fungus reaches the brain and takes over. The ant becomes a puppet. It climbs to a specific height, latches onto a leaf, and waits, completely frozen. Then the fungus kills it from the inside. A long stalk bursts out from the ant's head, raining spores onto the forest floor to infect new victims. Scientists call it the zombie fungus. And the terrifying part? Some species are evolving to infect larger hosts. In northern Tanzania lies a lake so deadly, yet so beautiful, that it seems unreal. Lake Natron. Its water is blood red. Its pH can reach 10.5, almost as alkaline as ammonia. When birds or bats fall into the lake, the minerals calcify their bodies, trapping them in stone-like shells. The creatures look frozen in time, like ancient statues. But they're real animals, perfectly preserved by nature. The same minerals that turn them to stone were once used in Egyptian mummification. Meaning this lake doesn't just kill, it preserves. The world is far stranger and far more incredible than we imagine. These 5 facts prove that reality doesn't need fiction to blow our minds. Which fact shocked you the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more unbelievable truths, subscribe to Factopedia, because the real world is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered.